Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In the last video, we have discussed what is a direct mapping, what is the drawbacks of the direct mapping. In this video, let me discuss with an example related to direct mapping so that you will understand the concept in a better way. Let me read out the question. The size of the main memory is 128 KB. They have given the size of the main memory. And the cache memory size is 16 KB. They have given the size of the cache memory. The block size is 256 bytes. If they have given the block size, we can consider that line size is also 256 bytes. Then they are asking the number of tag bits. How many tag bits are required and what is the tag directory size. We have not discussed what is a tag directory. With this example, I will discuss what is a tag directory. Now, once they have given the main memory size and the block size, we can identify number of blocks in main memory. Okay, number of blocks in main memory is equal to main memory size by block size. What is the main memory size? Which is 2 power 17 bytes. 128K I written as 2 power 17 and this is 2 power 8 bytes, 256 bytes. See, here they have represented everything in terms of bytes. Okay, till now we are discussing about the words. Here they are representing as a word, so I can say that one word is equal to 1 byte. Okay, so then it is having 2 power 9 blocks are there, or 2 power 9, let me write. You have in main memory 2 power 9 blocks are there. Number of lines in cache memory is equal to cache memory size by line size. What is the cache memory size? Is 16 KB by block size is 256 bytes, which is equal to 2 power 14 by 2 power 8, which is equal to 2 power 6. So 64 blocks are the lines are there in the cache memory. The number of blocks is equal to 512 in the main memory. Number of lines in the cache memory is equal to 64. 2 power 6 is 64. So let me write in a simple, number of blocks is equal to 2 power 9. This information will be useful for us. Blocks is equal to 2 power 9. Lines is equal to 2 power 6. Now they are asking us to find the tag bits. It is a direct mapping because this question is related to direct mapping. So if it is direct mapping, how the address is divided into? The address is divided into block offset, then line number in the cache memory and the tag. Okay, now remember one thing, the size of the physical address depends on the size of the main memory. What is the size of the main memory here? Size of the main memory is 128 KB. 128 KB means you will have 2 power 7 into 2 power 10, so 17 address bits are required. So using 17 bit address, you can represent this physical address. Are you able to understand this? So meaning is that the size of the physical address is 17 bits. Out of the 17 bits, we need to find how many bits are allocated for the block offset. The block offset will be depend on the block size. What is the block size? Block size is 256 bytes. So 256 bytes means, which is nothing but 2 power 8. So 8 bits are allocated for the block offset. And the second one is the line number. How many lines are there in the cache memory? The number of lines is equal to 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 lines can be recognized using 6 bits. Are you able to understand? So out of total 17 bits, 14 bits are allocated for the line number and the block offset. The tag bits are equal to 3. Are you able to understand? The tag bits are equal to 3. You can calculate the tag bits like this, or the number of tag bits or tag bits is equal to main memory size by cache memory size. You can even calculate like this also. What is the main memory size? 128 KB by 16 KB. 128 KB means how much? 2 power 17 by 2 power 14, which is equal to 2 power 3. So 3 bits are required. Are you able to understand? The number of tag bits is equal to main memory size by cache memory size, which is equal to 128 KB by 16 KB, which is nothing but 2 power 17 by 2 power 14, which is equal to 2 power 3. So meaning is that 8 tags are there. Are you able to understand? If 8 tags are there, we can represent by using 3 bits. So first question is solved, means the part A is solved. How many 3 bits are required? Are you able to understand? So the number of tag bits is equal to 3. First part is done. Now they are asking the tag directory size. Tag directory size is equal to tag bits in each line into number of lines in the cache memory. Are you able to understand? Tag directory size can be means the total directory, which is equal to tag bits, because each line will consist of a tag bits. How many lines tag bits are there for each line? Is 3 bits. So 3 bits into number of lines are there in the cache memory. Number of lines are 2 power 6. So it is 3 into 2 power 6. So you have 3 bits and totally you have 64 lines are there in the cache memory. So I hope you have understood how I calculate the tag bits and tag directory size. Tag directory size is 3 into 2 power 6. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.